Students, in this session we will discuss about internet. So what is internet? Internet is a worldwide network of computer network that connects university, governments, commercial and other computers in over 150 countries. These are thousands of network, 10 of thousands of computer and millions of users on internet. So with the numbers of expanding daily using the internet, you can send emails, chat with colleagues around the world and obtain informations on a wide variety of subjects. What is internet? Internet is largest computer network in the world that connects billions of computer users. The word internet comes from combination between interconnections and network. Network is collections of computer and device connected via communication channel and transmission media allowed to share resources, hardware, software, data and information. The vast collections of computer network which form and act as a single huge network for transport of data and message across distance, which can be anywhere from the same offices to anywhere in the world. Then we discuss about history of internet. ARPA, Advanced Research Project Agency, 1969, January 2nd, started an experimental computer network. Concept no server but equal importance participations to every computer in the network. Even if one or two node destroy, that will not affect the network. In 1982, the World Internet started. 1986, first freenet created in Case Western Reserve University. 1991, US government allowed business agencies to connect to internet. Now all people can connect to internet and improve their life and work quality. Internet support various aspects in our life. So inventor of internet, Wintons, co-designer of TCP/IP and networking protocol. Now question is how to connect internet. First is connect your modem, test your internet connection and troubleshoot any issues, set up your modem and network security, connect to wireless network on your computer or other device. So internet services, there is www stand for World Wide Web. Web pages, home pages, web publishing, web browser, search engine, protocol, internet protocol, DNS, domain name system, HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol, URL, that is uniform resource locator, HTML, hypertext markup language, ISP, internet service provider, email, electronic mails, news group, video conferencing, FTP stand for file transfer protocol, telnet and form. What is www? World Wide Web, commonly known as the web, is a system of interlinked hypertext or hypermedia document access via the internet. Hypertext is text display on computer or other electronic device with reference to other text that readers can immediately access, usually by mouse click or key press sequence. Hypermedia is used as logical extension of term hypertext, in which graphics, audio, video, plain text and hyperlinks interconnect to create a generally non-linear medium of information. Creator 1989. Next is father of www, Tim Berners invented www while working in the European Particle Physics Laboratory. Difference between web and internet. Internet is collection of network that connects millions of business, government agency, educational institution and individual, and internet is worldwide network of computer network that connects university, government, commercial and other computers in over 150 countries. There are thousands of network, 10 of thousands of computers and millions of users on internet, with the number expanding daily. Using the internet, you can send emails, chat with colleagues around the world and obtain information on wide variety of subjects. So what is www? Is the means we use to access information over the internet, different communication protocols, special link, hyperlink that enables user to jump from one place to another, the web. So what is web page? Web page is a document or resource information that is suitable for the World Wide Web and can be accessed through web browser and display on monitor or mobile device. This information is usually in HTML or XHTML format and may provide navigation to other web page via hypertext link. It, it can contain text, graphics, audio, video, has built-in connections or link other web document. A web page has unique address called a URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator. What is web browser? Is software applications for retrieving, presenting and traversing information resources on the World Wide Web. It allows to locate, view and navigate the web. It can have GUI, that is graphical user interface, meaning they can display pictures in addition to text and other form of multimedia such as sound and video like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Chroma, Opera, or can be text based like Linux or Lynx. First web browser was developed in 1991. Different type of web browser: Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera Mini, Netscape Navigator. So what is protocol? Protocol, set of rules, set of guideline or rules. Communication protocol is a formal descriptions of message format and the rules for exchanging those messages. Format that agreed to transfer data between two devices: HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, Internet Protocol, File Transfer Protocol, SMTP, that is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, Network News File Transfer Protocol, Transmissions Control Protocol. Next is email. Email or that is electronic mail message to user who have internet email address. Deliver time varies, but it's possible to send mail across the globe and get a response in minutes. A written message that is sent and received over the internet. The message can be formatted or enhanced with graphics and may also include other files and attachments like ordinary mails. Email, like example, s123455@eweb.edu, @gmail, Yahoo, etc. An email address identify an email box to which email message may be delivered. Most emails on internet use the simple SMTP, that is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Next is advantage of internet, that is communication, research, education, financial transaction and for updates. Communication is process transmitting and receiving symbols, data, image, text, documents, graphics using various devices. It includes the process of collecting, processing, distributing, sharing, retrieving and transferring, storing information. Internet now being a main communication tool using video conferencing, internet phone, messenger, email. So research. In order to do research, you need to go through hundreds of books as well as the reference, and that was one of the most difficult job to do earlier. Research is one such things which has got lot of benefits from the evolutions of internet. Education is one of the best thing that the internet can provide. There are number of books, reference books, online help centers, experts views and other study oriented material on the internet that can make the learning process very easier as well as fun learning experience. Education is one of the best thing that the internet can provide. There are number of books, reference book, online help, experts view. Next is financial transactions, is the term which is used when there is exchange of money With the use of internet in financial transaction, your work has become a lot easier. With the ability to do financial transaction easily over the internet, you can see purchase or sell items so easily. Disadvantages of internet: theft of personal information, spamming, malware threats, social isolation, obsession and depression. Theft of personal information: use of internet for banking, social networking or other services often make our personal informations to theft. Hackers can access our sensitive information through unsecured connections by planting phishing software. Spamming refers to sending unwanted emails which serves no purpose and needlessly obstruct the computer system. Spammers usually use bots that receivers with endless lines of advertisement. Malware threats: one of most annoying problem with the internet is the easy with which any malware can infect our computer. Virus program in consciousness and may get activated simply by clicking seemingly harmless link. Computers connected to the internet are extremely prone to IP targeted virus attack that may end up crashing in the system completely. Social isolation: the biggest problem with having the internet is its ability to create rifts between the real and virtual world. There is an addiction for everything that pertains to the web that includes excessive surfing, online gambling, social networking and gaming addiction. Since all problems are so deeply linked with one another and with the internet, isn't uncommon for people to be affected with multiple issues. So, conclusion: one on one hand, make best use of internet with careful planning and proper management. Putting a business on internet can make it more effective and more productivity. However, understanding and knowing how the rapid changes and various complex issues that can be encountered in getting the business onto net is imperative to the success.